Hello. So I am in my brother's room since it's right next door to mine. So I have going on soldering, and I went to Hobby Lobby. These were half off for like $1.49, $1.50. And I am using this weird solder. It's cheaper, lead free. It smells pretty bad, but yeah, lead free. My dad doesn't like this stuff. He was saying, but I need to get something to suck up the air. I'm doing it upstairs because I don't want it near my dogs. They're downstairs. And this soldering iron was from Walmart. I think it's for wood. But it was, yeah. I bought it like months ago before he bought the soldering gun. I'm gonna be doing another project, yeah. It's electrical silver bearing. I just want to show that, and then I'll take pictures of what it looks after I'm done with it. I just kind of finished cutting these out. It's kind of difficult because it's a irregular shape. Yeah, so I always cut like little pieces around it, and if anything's sticking out, I would stop right before it cuts off and pull it with this. This is a good plier. Yeah. And see, I have another one. I'm trying to copy like the same shape from my one of my belts that I made earlier, because now that I can solder, I'm thinking about soldering stuff onto it instead of drilling holes. Drilling holes takes a while because I don't have the proper equipment to do that. But yeah, I'll take a picture after I'm done. Yeah, I just got done sanding them and clearing off the Sharpie in the front. But yeah, I'm just letting it sit there like this. I've watched a bunch of tutorials before doing this, and then my dad showed me, because he used to do a little bit of this when he was younger. But yeah, you just let the paste first. I'm waiting for that to heat up, back up. But yeah, I'll take a picture or record it after I'm done. So here is just one side. If someone was wearing this, it'd be the right buckle, but it's pretty late, so I might do the other side tomorrow or later on today. But yeah, that's what it looks like. It's kind of dirty. See, I have to clean it. This was sharp, so I had to keep, I spent a lot of time trying to fix this because it was the sharpest area. And yeah, this is originally for wood, to etch or engrave, not wood, but wood or leather. I don't think this is soldering for metal, but yeah, because it's already kind of worn out. But see, I'll try to use the other ones after. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's kind of taken me a little too long to do this. So I could connect it to, I might use hemp cord, I don't know. Or I'll have to get more jump rings, but I'm gonna etch this and have stuff hanging or dangling, like charms, dangling from here. I wish I got more supplies at Hobby Lobby, because they had a 50% discount on a lot of supplies, like the jump rings and stuff. But yeah, I'm excited for this one because I've been wanting to do it with this one, but the other one I had to like drill a hole, and it took a really long time to drill holes on there. I probably should have shaved this one off, but it's not too sharp. See, I try to dull them out so it doesn't like cut people. Try to make it dull. I might do a little bit of sanding here. I'm not sure. Thanks.